Hi, if you are a game developer, you have chosen the right video. After all, this video will help you use GameStats.com to the maximum. Today, in 5 minutes, we will figure out how to analyze the market, competitors, and choose a release date for your game. GameStats is a site with analytics on games on Steam, owners, online, dynamics of interest. Let's start with the simplest, searching for a game. Enter the name, for example, Dredge or Slay the Spire. A card with data will open. Owners, wish lists. Rating, traffic, demo, comparison by time. Click charts, you will see the growth of interest. When the demo was, the release and how this affected the dynamics. PRO gives you access to exact wishlist numbers. Not just the order, you see how many people were waiting for the game. Now let's explore searching by genres. Let's say you're making a deck builder with roguelike elements. Enter key genres, sort by interest and owners. And you'll immediately see what's trending now. This is a great way to understand where the market is heading and what games are getting attention and sales. Compare games, how often they were updated. Was there a demo? What covers, what trailers were used? Add games to favorites and come back to them later to follow their success trajectory. Now about the release calendar, it helps to choose the optimal release date. If you are planning a release in October, see who else is coming out at the same time. You can choose a less crowded date and not compete with giants like Larian or Devolver. An important tool is game comparison. Add up to 5 games and compare their growth, interest, dynamics. Ideal if you want to show the publisher why your game is similar to successful examples. Scenario: you want to make a survival game in space. Check how similar projects are doing. For example, look at the interest in Ixion, Juno, New Origins, or even old hits like Starbound. Another scenario: you are an artist and you make stylized pixel art. Look at which pixel games have become successful. Their visuals, colors, the rhythm of the frames in the trailer, and even the font. All this affects the perception. Now about marketing. Look how the developers kept devlogs, made demos and teasers. Connect Reddit, Steam, Twitter, the links are already on the game card. This way you will see where the community was formed. The formula for success is not an accident. It is observation, analysis, and precise positioning. Don't be afraid to change the concept if the data shows that the market has sagged or fashion has changed. Use Excel export, convenient for pitches and presentations. Show that you're not just dreaming, but researching. GameStats is not magic, it's a tool that makes you smarter and more confident in your decisions. Planning a demo. Compare with other demos. See which ones grew and which ones flopped. Planning a publisher. Evaluate their releases. Do they flop or find their audience? An additional tool is the upcoming tab. Keep an eye on upcoming releases to choose the right moment for a demo. Pay attention to the quality of the description of competitors' games, especially the first 160 characters. This is important for searches. Check how games use Steam festivals. Compare interest graphs before, during, and after the events. Analyze player reviews. Do they often complain about bugs? Or, on the contrary, praise the tutorial, visuals, optimization? Look for hidden hits, games with a good wishlist. But without strong marketing, they can be overtaken. Look at trailer formats. Many successful indies use short teasers with a focus on gameplay. Build your funnel. Card gives, demo gives, wishlist gives, Discord. And compare it to how your competitor does it. If you are an SMM manager or marketer, you can use GameStats as an analysis and reporting tool. Test hypotheses. Added a new animation. Did interest increase? Change the description. Did the number of subscribers increase? Monitor niche genres. Quests, FMV, text games. Sometimes a stable and rewarding market is hidden there. The main thing is not just to be inspired, but to compare and learn. The story of someone else's success is a roadmap for your project. And that's all. Let's develop games together, friends.